I'm Deepika Pandey Singh, and I'm working as IYC Secretary for the last 1 year. And my functional role is of outreach in the Youth Congress. And as a territorial charge, I have West Bengal with me now. I worked as in charge for Punjab, Gujarat, Delhi, and Chandigarh previously. Currently, I'm working in West Bengal.
You basically started your career as a corporate person.
True.
And you moved on to politics. How has this transition been? What actually caused this transition?
As I told you, I am an MBA graduate and LLB too. I actually happened to know about the transformation process of Rahulji. I actually attended one of the potential candidate meets which happened in Jamshedpur, where I'm based at present. And I was like, oh, this is the right way and the right time, because we had the age limit also, and we actually didn't need any godfather or a mentor to get into politics. I would like to tell you a little about my family. My parents have worked with the Congress organization for almost 25, 30, 35 years. So I had plans to get into politics since some 15, 20 years back, years. But then I never wanted to hear that, okay, she is such and such daughter, and her mother is so and so, then she could easily get into politics. When I heard about this transformation process, I thought this is the most respectable way and a merit-based way to get into politics. So I made members and contested the state elections, and in the women reserve category, I got elected as the state general secretary. I worked in the state for almost 7-8 months. During that period, we were like interviewed, we had interaction with the entire team of IYC, the senior leadership, including Rahulji, IYC President Rajiv Satalji, and our in charges. Then I was not aware actually. We were given assignments in different states. So I did not realize that it can happen so easily and so smoothly that you were given assignments, you were assessed, your performance was considered, and one day I received a call that, okay, you're in the national team.
So all of this has happened within, say, 2 years?
Yes. I'm about to complete 2 years in the Indian Youth Congress organization, and I just completed my 1 year with the national committee.
So that means you basically moved from the state unit to the national unit within 1 year?
Yes. Yeah.
So, I mean, the feeling
I think my being women also was a criteria, because the organization has been very supportive to the women, and they were actually looking for women to contribute in the organization so that their causes, their issues and their problems were...
So from a corporate situation, going on to getting members in the field, how was the transition like?
I had seen a few things since childhood, so it was not a big issue with me. But then, as you know, the corporates, they have their fixed working hours, compensations and everything, which is not a case in the organization. It's a voluntary work, and you have to have passion for this work. Only then you can cope up with the demanding working hours, the kind of traveling we do. So
in terms of outreach, what has been the experience so far?
See, this has been newly inducted in the Indian Youth Congress system, and I find myself very lucky that the entire leadership considered me for this role, or as in charge in the Youth Congress body. AICC Secretary Shanimul Usman ji is the Youth Congress in charge for outreach attached to Rahulji. So the things which are actually happening at the outreach, I would like to talk a little about that. It is an activity which is trying to focus on the marginalized groups like women, SC/ST, OBC, minority, and in coming times we will also work with the physically handicapped people. We are trying to identify politically active people, and we are looking for leaders in those segments so that we can relate to their issues. They can actually identify the issues of their category and make a positive change and impact in their segment.
In the IYC process, the seats are reserved for minorities, they're reserved for SCs and
Very
STs,
true.
it's reserved for women. Has it basically been, has it helped the party develop leadership in these areas?
Definitely.
And what, I mean, how do we, how
See,
do we see-
like these categories, there's minimum number of votes fixed, and simply the reservation thing ensures that, okay, if a woman doesn't come, nobody is going to take her place. So it is the pressure on the body also that, okay, we have to have a woman in the committee and it should be a potential woman. So that search is on. Same goes for SC, ST, OBC, minority, and other segments. I would like to talk a little about Jharkhand.
Okay. Which is basically saying that, you know, your own home state, how, in the sense it's been a state for about 10, 11 years now, how has the sort of state panned out? Has it been able to deliver on its promises?
We all know that the kind of development we expected in Jharkhand after it being separated from Bihar has actually not happened. I think the major reason for that is the political, the crisis of leaders in the state of Jharkhand. I would like to tell you that from places like Jamshedpur, Ranchi, you just move 5 kilometers away from the town and you can actually have a very different scene in the villages. The tribals are way behind from the development, which you can see in other places, in other states.
Almost all the chief ministers have been from the tribal community. So why have, I mean, they've not been able to focus?
You have to have that focus and that commitment like the Indian Youth Congress or the main body has to cater to support all these people. And sorry, I messed up. So you have to have ideology to take all these people, because just having a tribal chief minister doesn't mean that the entire community is developed or has the access to development or the exposure. So we have definitely had tribal chief ministers, but I think the entire community has to be developed and involved in the mainstream so that the problems like Maoist, Naxalism, these kind of issues doesn't crop up. You are well aware of the things in Jharkhand.
One of the key things is, for example, in a state like West Bengal, which you are sort of currently responsible for, how has the last 1 year been?
I have been working in Bengal for the last 3 months, but I must tell you that Bengal is somehow very similar to Jharkhand as far as development is concerned. But then for organization, I think we have very strong cadre and committed people in West Bengal. We have allied with the TMC government there. We are a part.
That's all right. But the whole thing is, how is the IYC now, you know, growing as a political organization? Because the Congress organization itself was basically a large part of it went with the TMC, as we all know. But the IYC has been the first major exercise after that.
True.
Do you think now we are actually?
I think we have a very vibrant Youth Congress team. The entire team, right from the state committee up to the booth level, rather panchayat level is very vibrant, very committed cadres, and they're very committed to the party also. And they have the guts to stand against the government and do agitations, although being a part of the organization. So like this, standing up for the cause of people, that kind of that thing is being shown by the youth body of Bengal.
Let's basically say.
Just to quote, I would like to talk about the Indira Bhavan incident, where the government wanted to change the name from Indira Bhavan to some other respectable person's name. That Youth Congress took up the agitation, and it was a national news. And just 1 week back, the place has been decided that it won't be renamed, and the other place, a new place, will be named after the person.
But say, talking about your own personal journey, 2 years basically from a corporate person, you know, now coming to the end of your first elected term. How do you see your entire transition in terms of, do you think, say 2-3 years ago, if you wanted to enter politics, you know, has it changed that much? That today you can think in terms of a long-term political career?
Definitely. When I entered into politics, I had long-term plan with the organization, and I think the entire 2 years which I've had with Indian Youth Congress has been an experience. I thought that I knew the country very well. I understand the people. But when I traveled all across the country to various parts, different states, I saw the kind of variance
Okay.
culturally, socially, the kind of,
So you understand your India much better.
yes,
than
I think much, I understand India much better than the kind of understanding I had as a corporate person.